Good morning. My name is Priya Gadge. I am going to present research paper named IoT-based wearable biomedical monitoring system. I studied this paper deeply and going to explain this now. These are the outlines of my presentations. Introduction, literature survey, gap identification, problem statement, objective, proposed methodology, requirement analysis, impact analysis, result and discussions, then conclusion and future scopes, and then references. Introduction. Wearable healthcare monitoring system has been interesting topic among all the field. Nowadays, because of prompt changes in lifestyle, humans are not that much worried about health, which outcome increases in health problems. Between work schedule and house, people hardly to focus on their health. So health is a parameter that is not constant, which changes every time, and the health is the basic thing which affect everything in our life. So health related issue have been regarded as one of the major problem which impact quality of life. So to know about healthy conditions, we necessary to monitor our health regularly. Here is the system consisting of wearable device which is used for continuous real-time patient health monitoring using IoT technology. The system proposes that the patient can see their basic parameter of health and movement on their hand itself, and also doctor can see the graphical representation of parameter activity with respect to time. These literature survey. So these are some of selected references paper about this system. So first is health companion device using IoT and wearable computing, published by International Conference on Internet of Things and Application, Maharashtra Institute of Technology in 2016. The aim in this paper gives combined approach towards more precise healthcare for both doctor as well as patients. The basic consistency consider is compact design, low cost, portable and less complicated. So more health related proposed system having different drawbacks like wired system, wired setup. So the second paper is a smart system for remote monitoring of patients and SMS messaging upon critical condition, published by IEEE in 2007. So in this paper, author described a smart system which is configure, router and many data logger as available. So the system working state that critical condition occurs, then message is sent for notification purpose. Third paper is body temperature measurement for remote health monitoring system. This published by IEEE International Conference on Smart Instrumentation and Measurement and Application in 2013. In this paper, author develops body temperature monitoring using wireless local area network. Here, only temperature is measured and data is sent through Ethernet. The system is not cost effective and this paper is having focus point on body temperature only. Second is gap identification. Here, this picture shows a revolution of health monitoring system. The current system is wired, so it is complex to handle and manage, as shown in the figure number first, and will figure number first. And the second is that now wearable monitoring system. Uh, so now this wearable monitoring system will make this process easy and reliable, which is shown in this second picture. Problem statement. Problem statement is to maintain patient's physiological parameter and activity in the hospital. Objective of these systems are to monitor health condition, avoid wired monitoring system because this is wireless system. Because of this wireless system, this is less costly and it is low power consumption system. Proposed methodology. This is the block diagram of system. The block diagram of system states the sensor gives analog values and temporary stores them in a static memory location. These are three sensors, that is temperature, pulse and acceleration sensor, powered by the controller itself with the help of the power bank pins on Arduino controller. These digital pins are interfaced with Nokia display, and the graphic display consists of 5 pins, namely the power, ground, transmitter, receiver and clock pins. and these pins are interfaced with digital portion of control, and they communicate and transmit the data to controller built in display. The serial pins are interfaced with Wi-Fi module, which transmit the analog sensor data from controller wirelessly. And the receiver section has three components: the server, controller, and the computer. Second diagram is the receiver side. So the receiver tuned to same frequency as the transmitter module. So it receives data from the transmitter module and send it serially to the controller. All serial communication takes place through the UART protocol. The controller reads this data and locks it in the computer terminal, and this data is sent on the server. The graph for each sensor is displayed on server, and then data can be analyzed and processed by the physical for treatment and diagnosis. For the proposed system, we require this hardware: Atmega 328 microcontroller, Wi-Fi module, temperature sensor, pulse rate sensor, acceleration sensor, graphic display, registers, connecting wires. Now the impact analysis. What are these positive effect and what are the negative effect of this system on social and environment? So these are positive impact. First is improvement in patients' outcomes. So if we get to know, if we get to know the symptoms of disease earlier than it is possible to cure disease, so it is possible to cure disease before critical condition. Even it is even a reduction in healthcare cost because it is wireless and it is compact. Then third is increased patient safety. Then fourth is save space. It is compacted and wireless system, so it easier to save most of the space in the hospital. Then it is even save time because if patient's parameter cross the threshold, then it gets alerted by alarm system and tweet notification by user to the doctor, so doctor can easily operated that patient and at early time in early time. And the fifth one is wireless system. The negative impact is that it is difficult to use for elderly people. Could be because elderly people don't know how to use technology. So it will be little bit of difficult to understand them. Then this is the system implementation. This is the hardware implementation of the system. Uh, then after run this system, we will get the output like this, or we will get the result like this. In the first figure, device measures the heart rate, body temperature, and acceleration sensor with respect to the three axes. Then second is graphical representation of the physiological parameter, that is the temperature. So this shows the body temperature of the human. The body temperature, if the body temperature of a human exceeds the normal value of a body temperature, then it will alarm the buzzer and also gives an alert over Twitter. Second graphical representation shown of a pulse rate of a person. So if pulse rate exceeds, then buzzer get then it gives the alarm to the Twitter. And third one is of motion, as same like this. Then conclusion and future scope. The conclusion is the design system provide low power consumption, less complex and portable band for the healthcare monitoring system for patients. It also help to record past history of the patient. It can avoid the utilization of fire setup and the system made less costly, and the doctor can access patient's information from any corner of the world. What are the future scope of the system? So in future we can develop GUI, that's a graphical user interface for the patients who are present in the world, and for long distance consultation whose web server is useful approach. Then minimize the size of the wristband. And fourth one is that increase the independence for patients with IoT home monitoring system. Then these are list of the reference journal papers which referred for this system, and these are the list of websites used for making this system. Thank you so much.